Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. It's that time of year. I got the car uncovered and ready for spring. But I got some good news and I have some bad news. So if you remember last fall, um, there was a deer strike on the front bumper, had it repaired, and after looking at it closer, well, I actually saw it last year as well. It definitely needs fixed again. So I'm going to show you here um, pretty much the area where the deer hit. It's going to be a little bit tough to see, but you can see the crack lines are still there. So, and there's other issues as well. There's clear coat that's not sanded down even, and there are some nicks, well, that were in the bumper before but weren't filled, and there's another one here. Just all over, different spots, issues, and here again, clear coat run. Now, they did tell me to bring it back in the spring to get wet sanded, but I'm not happy with the job at all. So actually talked to them and they're gonna redo the whole bumper, repaint it and everything. So but this unfortunately means there's another blob there. It's gonna be gone for probably 2 weeks or so. So just as I'm getting it out, it's going to be getting repaired and not being able to be driven. So, but I'd rather get it taken care of in the beginning of the season than during. There's still not too much going on, of course. So, but just wanted to give you an update on the car, guys. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to say goodbye for a little bit. But anyway, hope you continue to enjoy the channel. Definitely check out all the auto show coverage, the Jeep coverage, and other vehicle coverage. So I definitely will be taking a ride in Greg's Z06 this season. Can't wait for that. And also some other exciting news. Tom Gear bought a C6 ZR1. So definitely going to be taking a ride in that thing, see how it is. So pretty exciting season coming up. There's more to follow. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.